The International Armored Group has designed a powerful armored crane perfect for rescue missions and evacuations in high-risk zones. This rugged machine not only withstands attacks from 7.62 by 51mm NATO bullets, but also protects against landmine explosions and collisions with wheels or tracks. With a two-person crew, a driver and an operator, the crane can lift heavy loads up to 13 tons. Available in 4x4 or 6x6 wheel configurations, it's driven by a robust 380 horsepower diesel engine, ensuring it can handle tough terrains and tasks effortlessly. Kicking off our list are the BURAN series vehicles, brought to you by a company with roots in aviation. While they don't take to the skies, these road warriors can hit speeds up to 100 kilometers per hour. What sets these vehicles apart is their incredible modular design. Imagine converting a BURAN from a high-speed roadster into an ambulance with room for 4 stretchers, or transforming it into a truck that can carry up to 10 tons. Despite this versatility, they don't compromise on safety. Reports say a BURAN can shield its occupants from a 6 kilograms explosive projectile from 80 meters away. Now that's innovation on wheels.
Known as the cultural heart of Brazil, this city also grapples with a high crime rate, ranking 11th among South America's most dangerous cities. To tackle this issue, the local police have commissioned 6 Gara armored vehicles. These versatile vehicles feature a universal capsule that can transform into a mobile command center or a first aid station, accommodating up to 22 people plus the crew. Panhard rolled out their CRAB buggy in 2012, and it seems like John Cocker took inspiration from it with their Cockerill 21X, debuting in March 2022. It almost feels like the same team designed both, given their similar features like versatility, high speeds, and cutting-edge tech. The CRAB boasts an unmanned turret, while the Cockerill 2X flaunts AI algorithms and specialized helmets. Both can be outfitted with 25 or 30mm cannons, but the Cockerill 2X is the speed demon, hitting 200 km/h, whereas the CRAB tops out at 100 km/h. Yet the CRAB has a nifty trick. It can drive sideways, true to its name.
Straight Group excels in diverse projects ranging from bulletproof glass to mobile checkpoints. Their specialty lies in military equipment, crafting everything from compact armored vehicles to massive 8x8 APCs. They also undertake bespoke projects like the MADF, designed for robust air defense and off-road capability. For further insights, Straight Group invites inquiries via email for detailed information.
The Chaser 980 B6 is a versatile armored boat that's perfect for a range of missions, from anti-piracy raids to search and rescue, troop transport, and emergency assistance. It can zip along at speeds up to 93 km/h and comfortably holds a crew of 2 and 4 passengers. One of its standout features is its compact size. It fits neatly into a standard 12-meter sea container for easy transport. The windows are bulletproof, and the cockpit is crafted from fully armored monocoque ballistic steel, ensuring maximum protection. The next vehicle on our list is a game-changer for assault teams. Meet the INKAS Sentry TI, featuring a folding ramp that lets you quickly climb into buildings, trains, and even ships. But that's just the beginning. This beast seats up to 10 people and packs a punch with its 330 horsepower diesel engine. It's armored to withstand rifle fire, ensuring maximum protection. Plus, you can customize it with optional features like a siren and a PA system for added functionality. ATVs are nimble, but they lack armor. That's where the LD1 upgrade shines. It might look unassuming with ballistic shields mounted on a frame tailored for specific ATV models, but don't be misled. The LD-1 delivers full 360-degree protection and has aced the grueling NIJ standard tests, some of the toughest in the world. It can even withstand fire from 7.62 by 50mm ammunition.
Recently, two German companies, Rebo and Rheinmetall, joined forces with an innovative idea. Rebo specializes in agricultural machinery, while Rheinmetall is renowned for military equipment. Together, they created the Steel Buddy, an armored tractor. Engineers from Rheinmetall developed a detachable cab that enhances safety, fitting it onto Rebo's 6R series tractor. This collaboration resulted in a versatile machine ideal for working in areas with unexploded ordnance. For added safety, it can be equipped with an optional fire suppression system.
A few years ago, Turkey set out to build its first universal landing ship, but needed an effective way to transport and land personnel. Enter the Zaha program. Through this initiative, Turkish defense company FNSS developed the FNSS Zaha, an amphibious armored personnel carrier introduced to the Turkish army last year. The FNSS Zaha, versatile on water, 13 km/h, and land, 70 km/h, holds 21 people with a 40mm grenade launcher, 12.7mm machine gun, smoke generator, and removable blocks for navigating up to 4-foot waves safely. If it's raining, you grab an umbrella. But if protests break out, you need the police barricade tactical vehicle. These mobile barricades are used worldwide, with South Korea's Geno Rex being a prime example. The Geno Rex doesn't just hold the line, it also has a water cannon that can douse targets up to 70 meters away. Built from sturdy steel, each section is 4 meters wide and deploys in just 60 seconds from the cabin. It comes in 4Hi2 and 6OIC4 models, both equipped with several cameras and a video recording system to monitor the scene.